the 2025 Hyundai Santro has made a strong comeback, combining modern design with value-packed features. This compact hatchback is designed for city driving, offering efficiency, practicality, and a refreshed look that appeals to young drivers and families alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Santro comes with a 1.1-litre four-cylinder petrol engine, producing 69 horsepower and 99 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with either a 5-speed manual or a smart auto AMT gearbox. The engine is BS6 Phase 2 compliant, ensuring cleaner emissions and better fuel efficiency, averaging around 20 km/L in mixed driving conditions. The exterior of the new Santro features sharper character lines, a wide front grille with chrome accents, LED DRLs, and updated tail lamps. Alloy wheels are available in higher trims, adding a sporty touch. The car is compact yet roomy, measuring approximately 3,610 mm in length with a turning radius ideal for tight city streets. Inside, the 2025 Santro offers dual-tone interiors, an updated 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, steering-mounted controls, and rear AC vents, a rare feature in this segment. The driver's seat is height adjustable, and the boot offers 235 litres of space, enough for weekend getaways. Safety is also a strong point. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a reverse camera, and a high-strength steel structure all come standard. Higher trims offer features like a rear defogger and day-night IRVM. The 2025 Santro is available in multiple trims: Era, Magna, Sports, and Ester. Pricing starts from around a superscript 14.95 lakh and goes up to a superscript 16.90 lakh ex-showroom, depending on the variant and transmission. In short, the 2025 Hyundai Santro is a feature-rich city car that combines reliability, safety, and affordability, ideal for first-time buyers and small families looking for dependable mobility and style.